Hello friends, let's explore the Marble Mountains in Da Nang, Vietnam with me today. Located 9 kilometers south of Da Nang city, this stunning complex of 5 marble hills is open daily from 7 am to 5 pm. The admission ticket price is around 40,000 Vietnamese dong approximately, and for easier access, an elevator is available for a fee of around 20,000 Vietnamese dong per person, one way. As you explore this stunning site, you will discover intricate pagodas with beautiful architecture, hidden caves with unique formation, and panoramic views of Da Nang city and coastline. These mountains involve a lot of climbing and walking, so sturdy footwear is a must. Additionally, stay hydrated and try to visit early in the morning to enjoy the serene and peaceful atmosphere before the crowd arrives. The Marble Mountains are a cluster of 5 marble and limestone hills located in Ngoc Hon Son district in Vietnam. The 5 mountains are named after the 5 elements: metal, water, wood, fire, and earth. All of the mountains have cave entrances and numerous tunnels, and it is possible to climb to the summit of Mont Thue. A stairway of 156 steps leads to the summit of Thue Son, the only marble mountain accessible to visitors. Several Buddhist sanctuaries can also be found within the mountains, making this a tourist destination. These mountains are also home to intricate marble carvings and sculptures showcasing local artisans' skills. You can climb to the top for stunning views, explore the caves and pagodas, and learn about the site's cultural and spiritual significance. You can visit early in the morning to avoid crowds and enjoy fresh air. The Marble Mountains are home to several Buddhist and Hindu grottos. The sanctuaries feature statues and relief depictions of religious scenes carved out of the marble. The Marble Mountains in Da Nang, Vietnam are a complex of pagodas and temples featuring stunning architecture, intricate carvings, and serene surroundings. Visitors can explore the various pagodas, caves, and shrines, taking in the spiritual atmosphere and admiring the beautiful craftsmanship. These marble mountains have a rich history dating back to Cham Empire, when they were considered as sacred sites. In 1825, their king named the mountains Ngoc Han Son, meaning 5 element mountains. Over the time, Buddhist followers built shrines and temples within the mountains, making it a spiritual destination for both Vietnamese aristocracy and Mahayana Buddhists. During the French colonial period, the mountains were recognized for their marble deposits and renamed as Marble Mountains. There are temples of Tam Thai, Tu Tam, Lin Yung, and the pagoda of Pho Doang also. There are a number of grottos including Huan Khong and Tang Chan and many Hindu and Buddhist sanctuaries. The sanctuaries feature statues and relief depiction of religious scenes carved out of the marble. Here are some tips for visiting these marble mountains. You have to dress modestly as it's a sacred site and be respectful of the site's spiritual significance. Bring sun protection as sunglasses, sunscreen and hat. With its blend of natural beauty, culture and spirituality, the Marble Mountains are a must-visit destination in Da Nang, offering an unforgettable experience. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.